There's 3 people waiting for me to go live. Hello. My name is Elder White, and I'd like to share with you the most amazing book. Okay. Just gonna kinda hang out for another few minutes until we actually begin. Oh, I say begin. We've already started, but you know, before I officially begin. How is everybody? How has your Monday been? I need to set up my microscope. Oh, do I have a cable for my microscope? Uh-oh. Maybe this will work. The microscope cable is the same cable I use for my microphone, so can't really have the microphone not be on during the stream. Let's see if this works. If I have the right attachment. Oh no, I'm out of attachments. Oh goody. Everything is going swimmingly. We'll have a look at it in a second. I mean, I've already posted it on Instagram, so yeah, they came out pretty good. I as soon as the package arrived, I had to tear into it because I don't have an option of wait. I blame ADHD. I had to open it. Yeah, we'll have a look at it in a second. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get a cable. One moment, please. Hello, J-Bum. How are you doing? Oh, please be on top. Please be on top. I'm doing pretty well. It's been a good day. This should do. Finally. How are you doing? Creative VFX. Oh, so much more. So much more. It actually, having to walk up and down the stairs has been both rewarding and also tiring. It's a lot easier to get my steps in every day now. Oh, I've already had it plugged in here. That's why I couldn't find it. Right. My microscope is a little bit of a hack job. I might do some upgrades on it in the future because currently it gets powered off of my bench power supply. This should have come on. Why didn't it come on? Can you... Excuse me, sir? That's not... Oh no. I need my microscope to work. This is the stream where I need the microscope. Technology, huh? Awesome. I was going to convert it to USB-C. Only problem is the lights, and because originally it had two power supplies as well, because it has one for the lights, which aren't currently on, but it has one for these lights, for these, why are they, oh, because I'm short-circuiting them. Oh, did I just sent 12 volts right through those lights. I just killed them, didn't I? I just killed the lights. Right.
Which lights?
Well, this is fun. The ones attached to my microscope.
Oh, shoot. Would you like one of my ring lights? I've got them
no, I think I've got one in here. Are yours more accessible? Actually, no, ring lights is not what I need. Hold on, I know what I need. Torch would be fun. Okay, well, this is, I can't believe I did. I can't believe I did that!
Oh, yeah, actually those are better.
10 people have watched me kill my lights. Thank you for being here.
Congratulations!
I don't...
Was it just an LED?
Well, it's two LEDs, but yes.
Oh, ain't so bad. Don't...
I'm gonna have to do a stream in the future where I fix and upgrade the microscope.
You need content!
Yay! Because I needed more. I have not... my content has not been in short supply. There's plenty more units I could have been making.
That's something people would have missed out on the next live stream. When you're fixing them, you can say, oh, you missed me break them.
Is that even... Oh, these are UV lights.
Yeah, I did wonder if those were my ones. They look familiar. I've got a regular one here if you like. Sorry, everything's black light with me. Would you like some white light?
I would like some white light.
Sorry, I have an obvious preference. That sounds bad.
The laughing didn't help.
Everything's UV reactive.
Oh goody.
What?
Nothing. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, that should be plenty light. Thomas has now stolen Jamie's light. Forever.
No, oh well. My best light.
Oh no. Ooh, I didn't come.
Oh. Heads up.
Well, actually, this doesn't matter anymore because this is not connected. Right, I need. What am I doing? Oh, I need to hold with me. I need to connect my microscope as a input. Why is... I require you to be a good input. Yay, okay.
Who's a good input?
Okay. Right. Cool. So, let's open up the lovely box we've got from JOC PCB with my beautiful baggie of transparent flexible PCBs. Yeah, like I said, I've already open these like the day they came in because I was way too excited for these. They look so good. Backwards. There we go. Now they're backwards. Okay.
Is this just a YouTube stream?
Yes.
That's why.
Are you on Twitch?
Yeah.
Look at how good they look. We've got people's names on them that helped me design it. It's so nice. I really want to like tear it out, but I feel like that's... I mean, I've got a couple, so maybe... We'll see how durable they are. We'll do a durability test later. Let's... Okay. Let's try to solder on some components on these, I think. So I specifically went out and got a bunch of tiny components, which I've not played around with before. Oh no, I've done a little bit of SMD soldering, but nothing that worked after I was finished. Let's put it that way. They look so good, don't they? Label Maker is the plugin for Easy EDA that we use to make these labels. It's a super nice plugin. Found out about it in the last stream. And like my logo is technically inverted because I inverted it and put it on the back so that I can see it through the front. And I think it just looks so cool. And then we've got people's hashtags on the whatchamacallit, copper layer. I'm obsessed with how these look. They are so nice. I want to have it. I kind of wish that they were rigid, but yeah, we'll see. I kind of want to make a more layers transparent PCB. I don't know if they have a limit on how many layers. I've not looked into that.
Infinite.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see if I can do like a 6-layer transparent flexible PCB, just mostly for the lols. I'll make a fully integrated Metal Labs pill dispenser thing, but flexible transparent PCB. Okay, I need to, so we've got caps and resistors here that go in the middle, and then just a bunch of, whatchamacallit, connectors on here, and some connectors down here, and some ESP32 stuff here. So which one do we start with? I mean, these are very rigid, so I think we should do those later. I think we start with these guys first. The more fun and exciting challenge, right? Right? I'm gonna assume you said yes. I wasn't talking to you anyway. I was talking to chat. And for these, we have absolutely minuscule 805. Hold on. Yeah, 805. These are 10K resistors. 10K resistors. And we've got 22K resistors. I only need like one of these. And, oh, actually, I don't know if I need these anymore here on this circuit. I think I might have changed the value to a 10K, so we'll see. But yeah, we've got 22K resistors, and then we've got a couple tiny capacitors. Shout out to the eBay seller who like actually packaged it really nicely. I do suspect one of these will be my experimental, let's see what it can take board. I have not. I believe I've worked with, I think I've worked with the one size down from from 805. But yeah, no, I've not done anything with surface mount components that worked when I was done with it. So this will be a fun one. Also, the eBay seller included a free set of 2 diodes for some reason. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but yeah. Yeah, those were the ones. Because those were the LEDs when I broke my friend's washing machine display. Those are the LEDs I needed to get for to try to fix them, and yeah, fixed it was not. Right, let's see if we can Jesus, I don't wish that upon anybody. Ah, yes. Okay, I'm gonna use some very fancy blue tack to hold this in place so that I can I guess we'll have to move it around anyway, but I don't think blue tack is the thing specifically for this. I'm gonna try to go for this cap first. Am I in? Yeah, cool. I need to put like a little border on this display screen that I keep looking at. Okay, no, blue tack is absolutely not doing the job. So let's, you know what, we'll just freehand it. It weighs absolutely nothing. Can you guys hear people outside, question mark? Because if so, I can close the windows. Are they doing their usual?
No, they're not outside, they're just loud.
Oh.
But then sounds travel a lot here.
Yeah.
So it may not even be loud.
Okay. I'm gonna reframe this camera because it's kind of unnecessarily far at this moment. Okay, cool. Alright, that's fine. As long as they're not distracting, I'm not particularly bothered about what they're talking about. There we go. That's kind of better. Okay, let's see if we can put some solder on it. Oh, I'm gonna have to change my my nozzle because this one's a bit. That should work. I have no background. I started with electronics because it was fun. When I just kind of started. I mean, I've done like little things when I was in secondary, but nothing embedded. I just kind of played around with some electronics and stuff. I like disassembled toys and stuff mostly. Oh my god, how do you... So, yeah, unfortunately, I don't have a background. I guess that is a background. Oh my god, let me get my things. I don't know. I don't know which one of these I'm gonna need, so I'm just gonna take all of them. Well, then I've already lost. Thank you. I try my best. I learn from YouTube. From people... Oh, I thought this had a direction, but I thought it was labeled on one side, but it's not. I learn from people like VFX, who's in chat today, and many others. If anything, I am an AI that doesn't get blamed for ripping off people's work. That sounds worse than it is. Should I be using a smaller soldering iron? Probably. I'm pretty sure... Oh, I think that's actually the only cup that's on here, so... Irene... I mean... Yeah, I see how that's helpful now. I mean, it's connected. I'm gonna call this a win and move on. Let's move on to the 10Ks. Which one of these is supposed to be a 22K? Also, is it still a 22K? I might have changed my mind. I'm gonna go get the board that this is replacing. Honestly, that's kind of me. Where are you? Okay, we're gonna not have a doorbell for a minute or two. Nor a letterbox, but I don't think we're getting mail at this time of day. Nor are we getting power monitoring. Yes, this is the board I put in the last video. But it's now a cool PCB. I have a feeling. Maybe I kept it at 22, I actually don't know. I might have kept it at 22. These are all 10Ks, and these are all huge 10Ks, because I had these on my wish list for people to buy me, and I didn't realize that they were the huge ones. So all the 10K resistors on here are absolutely gigantic. Oh, definitely. I don't have any blue paint. I've got regular painter's tape. That might work. I got this stuff. What did I come here for? Oh. I was gonna check the resistance of this boy. Doot 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 doot. What are you? 22. Okay, well, I guess I didn't change it. Fantastic. That's probably why Home Assistant was complaining about it. Yeah, we're using this ESP, but yeah, we'll just continue. Right, that didn't actually tell me which one of these needed to be the 22K. Crud. I will have to refer to my Easy EDA thing. Easy EDA. Oh, of course I'm not logged in. Always logged out of Easy EDA. Log in with tube. That one. Okie dokie. Uh-oh. Nope. How did I screw up so badly? There we go. Okay, so the 22K is resistor 5. Yeah, resistor 5, 22K. R5. Well, now we know. Microscope. Resistor 5, so that's this guy. Alright, let's put a tiny blob on him. Flubber. And we can grab a single 22K out of my new set of 100 22K resistors. I don't know what I'm going to do with so many 22K resistors, but you know, I'm gonna start building up a library of microscopic resistors I can't use very often. Come on, here it is. Get over there. I see why people pay for assembly. I'm not. What? Oh no, that's correct. Sorry, yeah, yeah, no, that's me being stupid. That's just me liking because I'm used to saying 10Ks and stuff. Oh, don't do a backflip, no. 22 ohms is correct. I'm just a noob. Just brought the tape over. Now stay put. Huh, who would have thought? Tape helps. Okay. And there you are. Touch. Okay. See, the board is not lasting very long, I don't think. How long can it? 1, 2. I guess it's more of a looker than a performer. Right, let's do this bank. I am gonna close the window because they are out. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Okay. A little dab here, and a little dab here. R3. What do you mean? Oh, so yeah, every time I touch it, it's burning a thing in it. So maybe my temperature's just too high. I am running at a very nice temperature of 350 degrees. Okay. It's just and these are all 10Ks. So let's grab ourselves a 10K. Yeah. I mean, I've set it down to 290. Seems a little high now. No, it's burning it. Come on. Get out of here. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I found one. Where'd the other one go? Oh, goody. It's vanished, isn't it? Oh, wait. No, found it. Way! I have done the impossible. And get over there. Where are you? I only just went down to 200. Where did that go? Yes. Where did it go? One here, one here. Lost one. I've definitely over-congratulated myself again, and then immediately lost it. Fantastic. Okay, let's grab another one. Carefully. Um... 200 works, so we'll stick with that. we go. Cool. Another. Yeah, now it's not burning it as quickly. Come on. Beautiful. And this one. Where did it say it? It doesn't say. I'm pretty sure I got lead free at some point. Oh yeah, it's called lead free. There you go. Lead free wire. Hello Hugo, how are you? It's good to know. I didn't know they were color coded. Okay. Let's move you down a bit because there's one more. Oh, I found the other one. Found the one I lost. Hip hip hooray. And that's gotta go to resistor 2. Do. I'm tempted to swap my tips. This one's a little irritating. Get me a smaller tip. I mean, I'm not particularly having problems with it. It seems to be going down pretty well. Nope. So I'll take your word for it, but I'm not particularly struggling. To be fair, I guess I've probably never used leaded solder, so I don't know what exactly the difference would be in using it. Nope, don't do that. I need the other ones. These ones, the sharper ones. I've been told that the non-leaded ones do crack after a while, but as far as I know, that's the only downside I've heard. Okay. Okay, noted. Oh, I didn't put the solder on that one. Oh, I put connectors on every single GPIO pin, just in case I ever have to swap it out. Somebody didn't finish watching the video. At the end of the video, I switched it from using the battery to actually having it connected to the wall because I found that the if I run a cable from upstairs, it's a lot closer than the power outlet downstairs. So it's actually connected by USB. I do plan getting back to some battery powered things in the future, but no, not as far as I know. I mean, as you can see, these ones are upside down. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm pretty sure I asked that once before in the live stream, and then people said no. So I guess not. Pretty sure it's the value both ways around. What am I doing now? That's connected. That's connected. Yeah. No, it should be fine. Right, let's do... I'm kind of tempted to do this big long connector up here. But then I don't really need this. This is all in case I need to swap pins. In case I did an oopsie with one of these ones and I have to like cut it through. This is what redundancy looks like because I'm stupid, just in case. Apart from that one, apparently the CT clamp doesn't get a redundancy. Fun. But yeah, this is just in case I'm stupid and I need to swap out any of the pins, or if I want to add more features later. Okay, so let's do... I guess we need to do the ESP, so let's get some legs for that. I don't know where things are, because everything's all over the place. Will you fit? You will fit. Will you fit? Number 2. Will you fit? It fit. Cool. Oh boy, this will be fun. Not as much fun if you don't when you don't have the support of the PCB to hold these in place. I don't think flux would help me in this. Fine, I'll do it. Oh no. Ugh. Attack might help. Yep, solved. Oh, you can see the electronics. Oh, that's so cool. Hello, little beetle. Okay. I really wish these were more rigid, I think. Because like the transparency is really cool, but I think I'd rather they'd be a little... To be fair, they do have the option of adding stiffeners, which I did not add anywhere. So that probably would have helped. Yeah. Shit, no, you're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, you're right. Thanks for double checking me. Oh my god. Stop. Why don't you want to get removed? My goodness. Please leave. Did I screw up the pad? Oh, I totally screwed up the pad. Ah. Honestly, the chat is a huge help a lot of the time. I've completely removed this pad. What was that for? Oh, that's for the current clamp. Ah! Well, the thing is, I tend to do things like, well, the YouTube live streams are few and far between. So I don't get the opportunity a lot of the time to get the help from you guys. But to be fair, if you have like an active Discord server, people are willing to jump in and help when they're free. Small plug for my Discord server where people are willing to jump in and help. No, they're removed from both sides. I guess we will have to move. No, I saw it. It was. It's actually right here. Hold on. It's fucked. Oh, I've just lost it. I had it for a split second and it's gone again. You saw me holding it, right? Oh, wait, here it is. There it is. Yeah, it is. So basically this is a one solder jobby and don't touchy. And it's gone again. I thought it would stay on the other side, but it's also gone from the other side. Oh, maybe no. Maybe it's still here? Kinda? Not anymore. I guess we can try again on the new one. But this time I'm doing this one first. So that then it can be more awkward for me to it's the right way around this time. This is the front. Mellow is spelt properly. It's going on the front. Let's yeah, it's not a bad call. The porch wire wouldn't have to go that far, would it? Oh, it would have to go all the way on the other side because it goes into this. No, from here it goes into the capacitor. So the porch wire will have to go woo. Oh, I guess woo because. All right, fine, we'll bodge it. We'll bodge it. I'm going to slightly turn up the temperature on my soldering iron because it feels a little low. Get on there. Concentration phase activated. I'm out of frame. Excuse me, sir. Can you... Oh, where did I put the blue tack? There it is. Stop moving. You're irritating me. Blue tack makes it a lot better. Activities. That one's a little shoddy. Shoddy like a melody. I've never been able to see my solder job from the opposite side. That's interesting. What bend can they take? It's kind of a cool image right there. Who's getting anxiety? It's pretty cool. Okay. We can plug it in and see if it works. I mean, we're not going to get any... We're only going to get readings on the buttons. Oh, wait, no, I didn't do this bud job. Budge, 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 this budge. Can I do that with a knife? Can I scrape that boy? I want to see if I can. Ooh. It's kind of hard. Might have to get a scalpel. Ugh. Don't look at your tools under a microscope. It's gross. Is that a way in? Maybe. Oh, I guess if it breaks, you can just apply heat. Right, I need a tiny wire. Where are my team? There they are. My Timu wires. They've lasted longer than I expected them to last. There we go. I feel like I should end these. This is a side thought for my brain to think about later. But maybe I should add a teaser for next week's video at the end of the stream. Because it's already ready, it's up on Patreon and all that. So maybe I give a teaser. Okay, hopefully that's what it takes. Bodged. Bodged. Close up on bodge. Ugh. Nobody look at the bodge too closely. Bodge is sad. Okay. Yeah, let's plug it in. I have nothing to plug it into because all of the USB ports are in use. Send help. Can I plug this in over there? Is this wire long enough? The answer is, just about no. Bummer. Well, I guess we don't need that light anymore. We can switch over to this view and we can plug it in. Okay, ESP is working. I'm going to grab my mobile device. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What did you do?
It's all being spammed.
That's you, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Ah! Let me in. Let me in.
Right. Why are they both going off?
What does it happen if I open the app?
No, it's just gonna keep happening, huh? Stop!
Which one it crashes? Oh my gosh, I'm putting on Do Not Disturb. Send help. But
Why
don't
are
ring the
they
doorbell.
both doing that?
It overrides Do Not Disturb.
Well, that's good, because you'd want to know when the doorbell's going.
Yep. Thank you.
Well, that's fun. Why did you do that? What pins is it connected to? Right, and that's connected to V in. Button. Button 1 is connected to 2. Button 2 is connected to 7. These are being pulled down to VCC via 10K. I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. Hello. How are you doing? I'm working on that. Oh, wow. They are going nuts. Going nuts. I'm going to turn off the notification alert for now. Probably going to forget to turn that on, and we're going to get someone at the door tomorrow. They shouldn't be floating, no. They are being pulled up. See, they're being pulled up. Maybe they should be being pulled down, but I'm pretty sure they're being pulled up here as well, on the original. Nope, they're being pulled down on the original. How did I screw that up? Okay, well, I guess that's just a simple code update. Right? We just need to say pull up. Sorry, pull down is now a pull up. Oh, I'm not actually saying that. I need to say uh-oh. Why is that a no? Why is that a no? Can I just get rid of that? Does that work? If I just say nothing? Does that help? Update wirelessly. I'm pretty sure I asked people that during the stream where I was designing that. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that was the issue. But then this is why I don't design proper circuit boards. This is why I keep everything on a prototype board. Because now I can't change that. And you didn't spot this? It's still your fault. I mean, I can cut it and then I can just bodge it to 3v3. What's connected to 3v3? Something's connected to it. Oh, the voltage divider for the CT clamp. One problem at a time. Let's say one problem at a time. Currently, it is compiling. Yay for compiling. Do we have any snacks?
Best I have is dates peanut butter with a little cacao powder, and I've had too many. It's pretty good.
It's a lot of sugar before sleep.
Yeah, I had a lot earlier. I think I had like 5 or 6 dates total today. Popcorn, that's about it.
Yeah, kinda.
Cucumber, bananas? Bananas aren't ripe yet. Mango? Again, sweet.
Nah, popcorn seems like the best option. Oh my god, compile already.
I got fix.
No. I'm just watching this compile. So what projects are you guys working on? Anything interesting? Anything fun? Do share. Oh, this one doesn't have its holes completely punched out. I'll show you that under the microscope. When I can plug it in, which is not now. This lack of USB power is sick. What are you using to do the voice control stuff? Why did it read circuit weird? Okay, that's fine. That's pretty cool. Oh my god, compiling. I really do miss the days of MicroPython where I could just upload a thing and it works. I had to use MicroPython for a thing now I'm working on right now the other day, and it's still nice to just hit play and it works. But then I guess this is doing quite a lot more. Apparently we got a lot of mail. Oh, and somebody's at the door. watch it not work. Immediately flooded. Right. Well, closing these doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, maybe, actually. What? Okay, so I don't know why it's triggering the doorbell. Well, no, I don't know. Right. Interesting. And if I trigger you? Why am we getting this issue? If I hold this one, if I hold down button 2, it's fine. By which I mean it ignores it. Or not. Okay, cool. Doorbell, 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 doorbell. Why are we... I'm going to cut the 5V input for that bit. What else is powered by 5V? Knife. No blade. Where's my blades? Scalpel blades. Ah, that went through like butter. Okay, are you still gonna whine? Yeah, for diagnosing why the thing doesn't work. Okay, well, we're still getting flooded by doorbell and post box notifications. So, surprise, the circuit board I made doesn't... No, but surprisingly, the circuit board I made doesn't work as intended. Who would have guessed, right? I'm try to scrunch the surface of... no, can I... yeah, I can unplug that now. I can plug this back in so I can have the light for my Why are you off? Who said you can? Who said you can go off? Huh? I don't think flex is the issue. I'm pretty sure it's my stupidity. Well, naivete. Does that work or is that frozen? That's frozen. Fantastic. 10 out of 10. Love to see it. Deactivate, activate. There it is. Beautiful. So, right. So, here's where I gave it a cut. Right, so I now need to connect this one to 3.3 volts, which is somewhere. I did bodge. It's a bodge that seems to be okay. That's not what the problem we're having. Actually, yeah, that's a good question. Of course you didn't. Let me check if this does the thing when it's connected just directly to power with nothing connected to it. And sign of life. It doesn't. What does that mean? No, it's just reporting power readings like it should be. So then, really, I should be switching the pull-up resistors to pull-down resistors. Because, yeah, probably. Probably would have been easier. Right. So for some reason, I decided to use 5 volts to power the pull-up resistor. When really, this should have been a pull-down resistor, I think. I'm going to switch this to 3.3 volts anyway, because we're already in the middle of doing that. So let's do that. So the nice thing about the transparent PCBs is that you can just kind of melt through them and attach wire to the pad. See? It's bodge friendly. And we're going to connect that to 3.3. Neither do I. I guess. Voltage dividers are easy because you can just like put in a put it into a voltage divider calculator. Yeah, probably do what they're telling you to. Well, nobody's mentioned it, so nobody cares. I start by making, well, I don't know why I'm giving you advice. I have no idea. I just kind of do things, and sometimes they work, most times they don't. Example A. You are the second pin from the top here. Um. So it's a pyro issue. Yeah, I can't say what you should and shouldn't do. I just kind of do things. And sometimes they work, and sometimes you make budges. Oh, he's calling you dirty. Well, then you probably need a book. Like he said. Start with a book. Because I don't understand either. It's a course I should probably take. Right, why are we still... I mean, I still don't understand pull down and pull up resistors. I just know that somewhere in the line there needs to be a 10k resistor for it not to do things that it does. I don't know, power. Right. What am I doing wrong here? Right. There, I brought it up now.
YTFP Chris said, there are also YouTube channels that are more geared toward leaning component LVL electronics. Chewy Nick said, yo.
Yo. Oh, there's multiple people with clippy icons now. Hooray.
Flo Lorenzo said, yes, perfect. Chewy Nick said, received my smart mug the other day, #1 beverage holder in the house now.
Hell
Flo
yeah.
Lorenzo said,
Let's
audio
go.
is good now.
Metal Labs mug for the win. I'm the happiest with my mug. I don't use any other mugs, mostly because of self-promotion, but also it's the best mug. Did you go for the big one or the small one? I like the big one because I like tea. A lot of tea.
Chewy Nick said, the big one of course.
Hell yeah.
Chewy Nick said, need all the tea.
All of the tea, all of the tea. Okay, I have changed pull up to pull up false. And now we compile again. And we see if this fixes my problems. Most likely, not.
Rotor Frostzwerg said, now the inputs will float, winky face.
Can confirm, did not work. Maybe I should have actually checked whether the inputs are floating or not. Good idea, me. Maybe check whether the problem that you're trying to solve exists.
Another CG said, flow to the clouds. Flo Lorenzo said, a pull-up resistor is usually a quite high value to prevent a short circuit. If it's too high though, like 1 M, there won't be any current flow, so no pull-up. Road First Work said at Spec Lysol you watch Big Clive? He usually explains basic electronics and why components are used how they are used.
I do watch them. These are both 3.3. Why are they both up on 3.3? Pretty sure they shouldn't be both 3.3. Or should they be 3.3? So wait, if I press the... Oh, this is the... If I push this button... If I push this button... I think we just need to invert them. Input true, invert false. Why is this one capital and this one's not? Does that make a difference? Hopefully not. Invert. Who else is inverted? Control F. Only you?
Chewy Nick said, Big Clive was the channel that really got me into electronics many years ago. Flo Lorenzo said, what is your button connected to?
Why do I have a do format button? I think this was carried over from the I think these two were carried over from when this was running Zigbee. Let's get rid of those. We don't need those. We don't need that. We don't need filtering, delay. We don't need those. I mean, we
First
do
Work
need...
said, you should invert it and also re-enable the pull UPS in the config.
Right. Hold on. Can I bring those back? I can. Okay. Okay. So let's get rid of these because these are absolutely useless here. 10 out of 10. Redundant code. Input. We just need to invert them. Does invert go into mode? Nope. Nope. In. Ver. Uh-oh. ESP. Home. In. Invert pin. No.
Flo Lorenzo said, have you enabled the extended clipboard yet? Using Windows key plus C/V?
Yeah. I just don't use that naturally yet. But yeah. I use it for when I...
said, don't use it though if you're copying passwords.
Well, obviously. Who's copying passwords? That's what password managers are for. Does it go inside or outside? It goes under pin. So here we put invert. Didn't you already have an invert? I guess not. Under pin. Okay. Save. Upload. Please work. I really want to make a tiny keyboard for nothing but Control C, Control V, and also the extended, because remembering all these most of the time, because dyslexia, the way I end up learning, the way I end up just writing words and anything, it's either I'm dictating or I'm going to where I know the word is and then copying it. So like a lot of my typing is copy and paste. So really maybe I just make a tiny keyboard with copy and paste, which I'm pretty sure Stack Overflow already did that as a joke at some point. But yeah, I want to do that. I don't think that's going to be a video. I think that's going to be a me thing. Maybe a live stream project.
Flo Lorenzo said, is your button connected to GND or to VCC?
GND. Ground.
Chewy Nick said, I have the 8-bit keyboard and I have the big red button set up to Control C and Control V.
You have the what keyboard? The 8-bit do keyboard? I don't know what that is. Oh, cool. Okay, that's a pretty sick keyboard. High key, kinda love it. Uh-oh. It's giving, what's it called? You know, teenage engineering. I love it. I'll take 2. Wait, they're only £27? What the fuck?
Chewy Nick said, I have the Famicom version.
Oh my god, it's compiling again. I'm gonna click off of stream and browse Amazon because Amazon does like to dox me.
YTFP Chris said, maybe better embedding like a 32U4 Arduino Miko on the mouse and 2 side buttons for cut and paste, since you need the mouse to select the text anyway.
I feel like I don't want to say no, but I don't want to say yes. I don't like a lot of things on my mouse, I don't think. Because I only really use... I mean, I've got this stupid side-scrolly wheel, which does absolutely nothing.
Flo Lorenzo said, if got me a Soffle V2.1 split keyboard, gonna solder it tomorrow. Then I have to get used to it.
I really... That does sound pretty nice. I mean, I've been using my my MX keys for the longest time. I think... Actually, wait, hold on. Do I have a date on this? No, I don't have a date on this. I have a date on when I got my mouse, and I've had this mouse since... Oh, it's actually... tomorrow's its birthday! It's its birthday tomorrow! I had it since 2018. It looks like crap. It's been very heavily used. I should point out, I did actually get this used. I didn't get this new. So, like, there's like nail marks here. Those were here from the previous owner.
You can also customize to use
but like, it's a killer mouse. It's still doing the job. Not so great when you're trying to play a shooter like, well, any shooter really. But
name one shooter.
Name one shooter. That one game I've been playing recently that I forgot the name of right now. Cyberpunk.
Wow. You could have said any of the Black Ops games.
I didn't play Black Ops.
Oh, I know, but I'm saying as an example, like there's so many of them.
You ever seen me play Black Ops?
Oh, never, never, ever.
Okay, the buttons are still buttoning.
You wouldn't know the last time I played that? It was on the Wii.
You played Black Ops on the Wii?
Flo Lorenzo said, the buttons must be really good. I've never
Who
heard
hurt
Logitech
you?
lasting longer than 1 year.
Honestly, it was awful.
Great. Now all I'm gonna get is ads for keyboards and mice. I blame you, chat. Can we make a tiny birthday cake for my mouse?
For your mouth.
It's its birthday tomorrow.
You just write the date on it.
Well, no, I've had that since. That's the day
I've never seen that written on it before.
I wrote it a few months back because I was like, how long have I had this? I keep needing to reference it. But that's when I bought it. So it's been going good.
We've been gaslighting ourselves into making cake for a few weeks now. Because originally we were going to make cake for Lifty.
Well, Lifty's not here.
No, Lifty needs time to be comfortable driving. And maybe, I don't want to say for the mouse, like we deserve cake at this point.
Why is it still doing this?
I have flaxseed water, chickpea water we can use as an egg replacer.
Okay. Oh my god, it's still... See, that kind of... Because the... Okay. If I hold it just right, it stops. Why is it doing that?
YTFP Chris said, if you draw a butt on a keyboard button, is that an ASCII?
Doorbell. Okay, so it makes sense for this one
Flo
because
Lorenzo
so
said,
this one
"Is
uses
there any
a
software
read
denouncing?"
switch, which is closed when the magnet is when it's triggered. So its normal state is open or closed. No, hold on. I have no idea.
Flo Lorenzo said, magnet closes.
Okay, so does this work when I touch it? Oh. This is a
YTFP
really
Chris said,
stupid thing to be
"Trickboard
stuck
would have
up
been
on.
perfect."
Which one is doorbell? Is doorbell button 1 or 2? Doorbell is GPIO 4. GPIO 4 is 4? What do you mean GPIO 4? What? But that's not even... Oh my god. Is that why we're being stupid? Doorbell, GPIO 4. GPIO 5. GPIO 4. GPIO 5. Oh my god, well no wonder we're using the completely wrong buttons. 7 and 2. 7, 2. Oh my god, am I really... I mean, clearly, yes.
Flo Lorenzo said, so it was floating all the time.
How?
Rotor Firstwork said, it was not floating since the internal pole UPS were on.
I don't know when I changed that. Of course it works perfectly now, doesn't it? So now if I trigger this, doorbell, letterbox. Who would have thought? If you use the correct GPIO pins that you put on the circuit board, things work. Okay, stupid ass brain.
Flo Lorenzo said, not sure about this foam if it's
Table flip.
possible, but it's always good to set all the BIOS to
Ow.
one state.
I made it too sturdy.
I would have been so scared if it went.
I would be disappointed in my craftsmanship. Why are we not... It didn't read that, did it? Have we been missing messages? What the Why are we missing... Why are you not reading?
Flo Lorenzo said at Rotor Firstwork only GPIO 4 and 5 were pulled high, 2
Pyro,
and 7
the
were floating.
script's broken. When did I mute it? I muted my headphone output. I have no idea what you guys were talking about. I thought you were just being quiet. Oh no, I have to go back. Okay, what did we say here?
Maybe better embedding like a 32U4 Arduino Miko on the mouse and 2 side buttons for cut and paste, since you need the mouse to select the text anyway. If got me a Soffle 2.1 split keyboard, gonna solder it tomorrow. Then I have to get used to it. Rotor Firstwork said, he had pull-ups true in the ES foam config, so the inputs ES foam red were pulled up. Sip and pop necklace, blow for paste, sip for copy. Pyro said, did TDS crash? Sometimes
No,
you can also
my
customize
brain
to use
did.
copy and paste. E-buttons must be really good. I've never heard a Logitech lasting longer than 1 year. If you draw a butt on a keyboard button, is that an ASCII? Is there any software denouncing? Pyro said, good. Trigboard would have been perfect. Flo Lorenzo said, okay, didn't know this is a thing in SFL. So it was floating all the time. It was not floating since the internal pole UPS were on. Not sure about SFOAM if it's possible, but it's always good to set all the BIOS to a known state. Only GPIO 4 and 5 were pulled high, 2 and 7 were floating.
Yeah.
He had pull-ups true in the ES foam config, so the inputs ES foam red were pulled up.
Yeah. It works. Who would have thunk it? Okay, I want to add the, oh boy, this is a, it's kind of looking like a minefield. Okay, what about, I'm going to try to do this again, but better. So, this one we will...
Chewy Nick said, and I can't type tonight.
Okay. We'll try to do this better. we'll take our time. We'll put in the capacitors and everything in the right places. We'll make it as pretty as we can. Now that we know that things have to go in the right places. I need to 3D print this like a nice little box or something to actually hold it in place, because currently it's just chucked into the electronics cupboard. Kind of want it out on display in the cupboard to be like, this is my transparent flexible plexi board that's doing my doorbell management. Please look, it is nice. Right, so you guys said tin one pad, and then grab the component. And then warm this up, and then push it in. And it's tombstoned. Let's try that again. I need the other ones.
Rotorfrostwork said, you still need to bodge VCC to 3V, or you pray the ESP survives 5V.
I will budget, yeah. But I'll budget nicer.
Flo Lorenzo said, ESP32 pins are actually rated for 5V signals.
So that means I shouldn't have to. I will let you guys argue amongst yourselves, and whoever wins, that's the way I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna lose the resistor I just placed. 5 needs to be in shot.
Rotorfrostwork said, I mean, it survived it before. YTFP Chris said, no, ESP32 is 3.3V logic.
One, two, three, if I can grab it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. How do you organize surface mount components? Are there like little organizers for them?
Flo Lorenzo said, yet a 5B signal is still no problem, it will also get interpreted as a high.
You want to have a go at soldering some SMD components?
Chat?
No, you.
That sounded a call for chat.
Chat, do you want Jamie to try soldering SMD components?
Work said, the current sensor then is still biased to height, 2.5B, reducing the range it can read.
Yum, yum, yum.
I want to see if I can use a hot air gun to see if I can
Flo
reflow.
Lorenzo said, well, that's the nail in the coffin, 3v3 it is.
Good to know. Okay. I want to see if I can reflow these.
PCTS99 said, good soldering.
And see if I can reflow these. First of all, I want to see how the PCB actually survives. The answer is it doesn't. Oh wow, it's really not surviving heat. Ooh. Okay, let's not use hot air. That is very warped now. That is that is delaminated itself. Maybe too hot? Right, I wish I'd done that on the first one and not the one I just did a really decent job of getting these soldered on. Okay, so transparent flexible PCBs.
YTFP Chris said,
Yes.
so I'm guessing a reflow oven is out of the question on clear PCB.
I mean, I can put it in the air fryer and see if it works. Yeah, kinda. It's like warped now. It's
Rotorfrostwork said, technically you could change the voltage divider to adjust the bias back to 1.65V, but yeah, 3v3 is preferred.
I'm questioning if I redo it again or if I keep going with this one.
Chewy Nick said, air fryer is the people's wave soldering machine.
It's either that or the microwave. Oh, it broke again. Goody. Chat, next stream, we're fixing my, I was gonna call it a telescope, but it's oh, damn it. Connected it as a mass storage device and not as a webcam. This is a USB webcam, please. By the way, don't forget to smash the like button. And once you're at it, get a sip of water, because hydration is the best. I'm trying to think of something that rhymes with the best. Hydration is the... Drink water, shut up. Oh, I was thirsty.
Pyro said water.
Oh,
Damn.
that's a lot of aqua. A phenom would be proud. Really? Nobody? Bummer. My coach's jokes go above your heads.
YTFP Chris said, LOL.
At least one person got it. Hopefully. Well, they're just LOLing. Excuse me, can you get your yawn out of this house?
They already left.
Chewy Nick said, I've spent the last 4 hours trying to get Fusion 360 running on Linux and I've just hit the setup screen. Go me.
Hell yeah! Go Linux!
Chewy Nick said, Linux, it just works.
After a few hours, it works. How many of those? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who will win the thumb war? Concentration is real. I feel like I'm getting better.
PCTS99 said, can you get soldering iron that are like tweezers to do SMD components?
Yes, they're more for removing though. They're not particularly good for actually soldering things down as far as I'm aware. But I do have a pair. Somewhere. I think it's in here. Yeah, I have a pair. It's just a very not particularly fun tool to use. It's fine for when you want to like remove components because you can heat up both sides and then but for actually putting things down, no. Good luck. You will have a sad day.
Said, you know they will just stick to the iron.
22k.
Chewy Nick said, I think they would mess things up as you move away from the part when installing.
Yeah. I've only ever used them for removing things, but even then.
YTFP Chris said, great for installing nose rings though.
I guess self-sanitizing.
Chewy Nick said, installation and cauterization at the same time.
Charge extra for that kind of service.
Rotor Frostwerk said, for storing SMD components on tape, Robin Ryder made some nice SMD magazines you can buy. I think he has also printable versions online.
I will look into it. Because I don't particularly fancy having these just kind of be all over the place. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. We just have to do these guys and these guys. Oh, can I desolder these? It'd be nice if I could save this. Probably not. Let's just grab a new pair. How'd you like that meat?
Context.
The dinner meat.
It was underwhelming.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah. Honestly, I liked the burgers more, but that's probably because there was more going on in the burgers.
Yeah.
Like, it smelled better than it tastes.
It's very plain.
Yeah.
Felt like
Chloe
it
Madison
needed.
said,
I
sup nerds.
deliberately...
What up, Chloe? How you doing?
Chloe?
Chloe Madison.
Hello.
We're talking about some good old meat on a stick.
Kebab.
Kebab stick we
Kebab.
had for lunch. It was very underwhelming.
Wait, dinner? No lunch.
Oh, sorry, dinner. For the meal time.
You're like, are we getting 4 meals a day now? What the heck?
Chloe, so far you have missed 2 of these being destroyed in various ways.
Oh shoot, did you bend one?
Well, yeah, but it was intentional.
Oh.
We were doing some testing, and no, they do not hold up to they do not hold up to rework stations. They kind of just melty. Big oof. And also,
Chewy Nick said, dinner is what you have around midday, up north.
we just
Chloe
kind
Madison
of
said,
eat.
"Woof."
Yeah. And this one has a broken pad because I accidentally tried mounting it the wrong way around, and then I had to undo it. Ignore this splice. This is me realizing that I connected the buttons to 5 volt instead of 3.3. I'm gonna have to do that same bodge. But yeah, this one was just
Rotor
because
Frostwerk
the actual
said,
pad
maybe
came
cut
off.
the VCC before soldering.
I don't think that makes much of a difference. So, no.
Rotor Frostwork said, it's easier on a flat surface.
Oh wow, your Microscope's pretty high res.
Chloe Madison said, use more flux.
I refuse.
Rotor Frostwork said, okay, winky face. Chewy Nick said, those PCBs look good though.
They do, don't they? Thank you, JOC PCB, for sponsoring. Actually, I think they're sponsoring this stream. By the way, JOC PCB has an app now. So that's cool. You can do all your PCB and 3D printing things on the app. It's called JOC One because it's all in one place. Get it now on the App Store.
Did someone else call dibs before they got the name?
No, because I think it's their attempt to unify the fact that they do 3D printing, the CNCing and all that.
Mm-hmm.
But JOC PCB is more just for PCBs.
Mm-hmm.
But they also
Pyro
have
said,
JOC
because
CNC
TLC was
and
already taken. Tongue sticking out.
Pyro just said exactly the same thing as you, so I assume Pyro just stole your joke.
No, it was probably being typed at the same time.
I don't believe him.
I don't believe Pyro is a thief. I believe that was...
No, man. He's got that tall neck. Maybe he was looking over the keyboard and like,
What do you mean tall neck?
it's giraffe, ain't he?
Oh. Ugh. I walked into that. Life of a shorty.
Pyro said, tongue sticking out.
Oh, Chloe, good news. I finally have your things on top. They're no longer stuck in a box.
Chloe Madison said, oh, I launched my crowd supply.
Hell, I think I saw that. Hell yeah.
Chloe Madison said, speaking of,
There it is. I got the things. This is a thing. It's very cool. I think there's two things in here because I've not had a chance to play around. Problem is I don't have a large battery to test this with. So Chloe makes a bunch of stuff. Welcome to today's sponsored stream. Today's stream is being sponsored by also here's somebody else's cool work. So yeah, link in the description. So this one is an LED driver. Well, it can be really anything as far as I'm aware. Was this right? Am I being silly? Am I thinking of the right thing? Flip C3, WLED, Arduino, ESP-ID, all of the things. Fantastic. Yeah, it's a little ESP32 thing. Oh my god, camera. Wait, hold on. I have the perfect camera for this. There we go. There's an ESP32 C3 mini, and you can power this off of a battery input from 6 to 60 volts. So you don't need like a power adapter or anything if you're doing like battery powered stuff. And you just check in your any voltage, and you're good. And it just powers up. It's got an RGB LED
Chloe
on here
Madison
as well.
said, it comes with ESP home and has a 6 dB tolerant buck converter.
There we go. Those are all the details I didn't understand. Sick. Very cool. I don't think... Can we... Pyro, can you... Wait, can you... You should be able to post links. Can you find links for Chloe's things? And they will be posted in chat. Beep, beep. Boop, boop. And we also have the... I have no idea how to use this because I don't use big enough batteries for anything. But this is I think you said a shunt? Yeah, a smart shunt. which if you want to explain, I am not smart enough to explain this. Ooh, someone has a fancy printer that can do two things at the same time.
Another CG said, C3 are amazing.
They are indeed. Also, you can pop this off. Can I pop this off? I should be able to pop this off. Yeah, without breaking anything. There it is. And surprise, it's a little guy. It's the same little guy, but you can
Chloe Madison
take
said,
him off.
yes, the top pops off.
Hell yeah. And in case, there we go.
Chewy Nick said, I just saw that smart shunt. I'm building my off-grid solar at the moment, so that looks awesome.
Hell yeah. Pyro, get them links in chat. Or probably just click through on... Do I have a... It's just, well, there's a link on here. I'm assuming that's the useful one, right? I am a professional. Instructions. You guys can just scan the QR code. Find the
Chloe
instructions.
Madison said, VDBX.
VDBX. There we go, VDBX. Go to VDBX.
Pyro said, what links?
Pyro's always on top of the game. Don't worry, VBDX is on screen now. They will find things. There we go. I wanted you to share Chloe's things. In chat. Hell yeah. Yeah, my only issue is I don't
Chloe
have a
Madison
thing
said,
to use this
and
with.
there's a link to the crowd supply there.
Hell yeah. Yeah, my only issue is I have... Oh my god, do I even have a screwdriver big enough to undo these? Yes. I have nothing to use this with. That's my only issue I have. This says prototype, so I don't know if I should be reading anything out. Don't show the camera if it's secret. This is an open source shunt for Home Assistant based ESP30 flip C3. Face the side. Power bit by Han, can you read this out? This.
TWR12500.
Yes, can you read out this bit?
He. I wasn't even being sarcastic, like that's exactly what it says.
It does say he.
What do you want me to read?
Just that paragraph, I guess.
The top bit.
Yeah.
How do I pronounce that? The purr tool.
Power tool? Per tool?
Are you supposed to roll your tongue when you say that? Like purr tool?
How would an American say per tool?
Purr tool.
Per tool.
Purr tool.
Maybe it's like a cat, like per tool.
Meow. Meow. Just a very long one. Anyway, is an open source smart shunt. What's a shunt? Smart
Shunt.
Yeah, what's a shunt? I've never heard of it.
Chloe Madison said, LOL.
Google.
Another CG said, Putty cat.
Pretty cat.
Yeah, what is? I'm actually gonna have to Google the word shunt. I will BRB.
Jamie's doing the research that I'm not willing to do on stream.
To push or pull part of a train.
Chloe, what is your definition of shunt?
One line.
For there are multiple in Google.
The act of pushing or shoving something.
Another CG said, shunt is an extremely low value accurate resistor to measure current, hence power.
I want to try.
Oh, okay. It's an extremely low value, accurate resistor to measure current.
Ooh.
Yes.
Ooh, right. Power Tool 500 is an open source smart shunt for home assistant based on the flip_C3 from vdbx.io.
Chloe
It's
Madison
designed
said,
to
what another CG said. The big brass bit.
Bidirectionally monitor power in 12 to 48 volts DC systems usually found in off-grid or
Automotive.
systems made with ESP Home, allowing. Oh, it's stressing me out. I ain't got goggles.
It's fine. They're shooting off that way.
Yeah, I know. I just hit me. ESP Home allowing expansion via.
I'm making Jamie do
GPIO.
ad reads whilst under pressure.
God damn. And alternative firmwares. What we threatened
YTFP
with.
Chris said, when Sean Connery goes hunting.
What is the word?
Shunt?
No. When things go poof and you've got the leftover bits flying, whatever you call it.
Shrapnel.
Shrapnel. And alternative firmwares or Arduino code. That was extremely broken.
Careful, there are metal bits all over that way.
Okay.
They're actually all by the exit, which is quite funny.
Magnet.
They're not magnetic, they're brass.
Glass.
Brass.
Oh, that's fine then. We'll start brass bands.
Sure. So yeah, if you need LED lights in your car, grab one of these. Well, not the shunt. Not the shunt. There's a
They're
separate thing.
caltrops now.
So can you translate what this does for me? Because
So,
I'm
so this thing, which is just it's a. I'm trying to.
You're trying to simplify it for my brain that is not very knowledgeable in this community.
This is a microcontroller, but specifically to use within, with batteries. So like you can use it in a car, in a van, and a thing. So it's specifically designed for any voltages from what was it?
Oh, it was
From 6 to 60. So
6 to 60.
Chloe
Yeah.
Madison said, the flip does power
It was
and brains.
48.
the flip does power and brains. There you go.
Okay, cool.
So you can just
Give
Yeah.
me commands. Do this.
well,
do
yeah,
that.
you can like connect the smart lights we have for things
Yeah. So
and
the
just
thought-
have it run in a car.
The thought that came into my head is like, you don't see them often now, but you get those little cars that are battery powered for kids. You can deck it out with LEDs.
If that was in the budget, yes.
They're not crazy expensive, but we wouldn't fit in them because we're too big now.
Exactly.
I used to have one. He's gone now, but.
Can't even go to the shops with that one.
What do you mean? Oh, to get one, yeah.
Although if you have like an e-bike, you could also use this because it runs off all the same battery
Well, you
stuff.
can deck out your e-bike. Nice.
Yeah. So if you have like a sick
Chloe
e-bike and you
Madison
want,
said, it also works well if you want to just pick a random power brick from your drawer.
that's a good point too. But yeah, if you have an e-bike, you want to put LEDs on it, just chuck one of these bad boys in.
I've got loads
LED.
of power banks.
Yeah. Well, the power
Jimmy
bricks, I
said,
think they
Power wheels with underglow.
power wheels with underglow. Hell yeah.
I like where this is going.
Chat, we're starting a fund
Chloe Madison
fund
said,
for
e-bike is a great use case.
Wait, we're gonna drive down to Lifty in this tiny little battery car.
since you couldn't make it to us, we're coming down to you. Beep beep.
I'll be on the roof. It will be collapsing because they're only made of like thin plastic. We might be getting off the road.
No, we'll get a police escort back home.
Yeah. Get us off the road. Actually, I don't know. Well, if we find off the motorway.
There's a speed limit, minimum speed limit when you go on the
Don't
motorway.
touch the motorway, we should be fine.
Right, so you're gonna go all the way from here to
We may have to stop off a couple of times.
many times. I think
We can just yabba dabba do it.
William Osmond did a video where he went. I can't remember how far he went, but he went like a good ways in one of the little pink Power Wheel cars, and he was not comfortable after a long time.
Leg cramps.
Chewy said, I will buy you a Power Wheels if you promise to do something nad with it, no question, haha.
There's quite a delay on this.
Ooh, I would take you up on that.
I've not known Power Wheels as a thing.
Yeah, Power Wheels. That's the kind of brand name-ish. I mean,
I don't know what
we can give it
Oh.
more power.
Oh no, these are
And the glow
bougie
lighting.
These are bougie from what I had. Mine had I think it had like a little roof. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. If you do, please send photos
Chloe
to
Madison
your dad
said,
and say you
I sent a
finally got, like, the
PWR to
proper
Ultra William and he said he was
drawings.
gonna put it in one of his Taylor Duns.
I remember seeing him unbox your stuff. Taylor Dunn.
These are so neat. Wow, why was there a wheelchair put in this category? This is for when you go too fast. This is a recovery vehicle.
Hell yeah. Okay, so I'm thinking extra power, because why not? Remote control, because obviously.
Isn't there a weight limit? There is a weight limit. I know there is.
Probably, but who cares?
Well, it's not gonna go if it can't push, is it?
Well, if it can handle a grown William Osmond, it can probably
I haven't
handle.
seen him in it.
He's a tall boy.
Tall boy.
He's an American.
Man.
He's an American.
Oh.
Well, to be fair, he's not like most
no,
Americans,
you say American, I just imagine like very tall people because I'm small.
but they
anyway.
are, yeah. I don't know, but yeah.
Yeah.
No, they're pretty powerful, especially if you give them more power, like I would be planning to.
Americans.
So I'm thinking more power and cool lighting effects. I'm thinking remote control. What else?
Oh my gosh, we actually have a garden to like keep it in.
What else would we add to this? Sick engine noises. We'll get DF Robot's little speakers in it to go. Oh, we'll add another one closer to the back, and it'll be doing like turbocharger noises.
Can you add a vape in the back where the?
Oh, for smoke effect. Fuck yeah, smoke
Well, it
effect.
has
Okay.
to be bubble gum.
Ooh, oh, if it just spits up bubbles.
Bubbles and vape liquid. It can come out the back of the car.
This is becoming an ambitious project. Are you sure you want to be part of this?
You wanna draw out your dream car, just bubbles and.
Oh, I can put branding stickers over it. JOC.
Wow, can you imagine you crash into something and you run away from the scene? Like, your branding's all over it.
I wonder who crashed here. Mellow.
It's got a QR code on the back.
The license plate's just mellow.
Chewy Nick said, Mellow Mobile.
Mellow Mobile.
When it bumps into stuff, I want it to go wham, pow.
Oh, it's gonna need like a little GPS module in it, so we know where it is. Ooh, POV. POV.
POV.
You know how you got remote control drones, and you can see that, but with the car.
Right, you can't show that publicly because you dox us.
Well, I can drive it around.
Yeah.
Chewy Nick said, return to home feature.
FPV. That's what I was thinking of.
Sever 2435 said,
Hell yeah.
FPV.
Oh, like Iron Giant. When it falls apart, it will crawl back.
Chewy Nick said, like that guy who uses his RC car to buy stuff.
Exactly.
Another CG said, FPV is the only way to drive an RC car.
I don't know what that is.
Huh?
I don't know what that is.
What?
FPV.
Well, that's what we were talking about. The field the you can view through and see the drone and
I mean, I don't know what that stands for.
fly path vehicle flight
Vision.
fly. No idea.
First person view. Oh my god.
Wow, you're so off.
What
Oh my
TFP
gosh.
Chris said,
I was
so like
overthinking
Poke
it.
Mobile with the second P crossed out for Po Mobile.
Oh my goodness. feel like the bar was so low on the floor I tripped on it. I didn't even try jumping.
Limbo, but the bar's up here and you just fall over before getting to it. Yes,
Oh my gosh.
these are all doable things. We just need money and time.
We have time.
Now we just need money.
Oh my goodness. You can just put like a donation box outside, like, hey, if you guys have I will do this if you can source this.
I mean, that's basically what
That's
the
investors.
huh?
That's what investors are.
Right.
Oh my gosh, they're very good.
See, Patreon used to have a goal thing where you could like tell people like, "Hey, I want to make this. Do you want to fund it?" But it doesn't have that anymore. Oh, I could give chat control over it. We could set up like a WebSocket thing, where like you guys can go to a special website, and like drive it around the room. This is already blowing out of proportions, isn't it? Oh, I broke it.
Chewy Nick said, Twitch plays driving ban speedrun IRL. Pyro said, I hear chat controlled.
Pyro, don't worry about it. We need funding first. I dropped it. I picked it up. I'm trimming these fucking things because they're always the wrong size. Right, now there's actually no easy way of holding these in place unless I grab a... Sorry, I got excited. Of course I put these at weird fucking offsets. Oh my god. Why would I do this to myself?
Bing, 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 bing.
Ding 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 ding.
The nibbles came back.
The nibbles? What snacks you got?
I ain't got no snacks.
Oh. Oh.
The best I've got more peanuts and dates. Peanut butter and dates.
You wanna go on a date and have some peanut?
Not really.
Oh.
It's kind of chilly in here.
Okay, I'm gonna try soldering these from the bottom because it's... No, actually no, that's not gonna work at all. How do I hold these?
Magnets.
That's not gonna help.
Why? It would pin it down.
What?
I thought it would pin it
Not the problem. The problem is that these are very...
Sebek2435 said, use flux.
Is flux gonna hold them down?
Chloe Madison said, blue tack.
Flux. I guess flux kind of works.
gosh, we had like 57 letters come through.
Sebek2435 said, blue tack might have been a better idea XD.
I do apologize for the inconvenience.
It's all spam.
That's how Harry Potter felt. No?
I'm getting cake in my feed.
Getting what?
I'm getting cake in my feed. No.
You can't have cake.
Well, I can.
You can't.
That makes me want it more.
Well, you're gonna have to eat it outside of the house.
Okay.
I just picture you eating a whole cake at a bus stop.
I've eaten cake at a bus stop before.
It's quite the image.
Not like a proper whole cake. It was probably like a cupcake. I still had eating anxiety then. But...
Okay, that was horrible, but they're in. Now we just have to do the other one.
Pyro
Oh,
said,
when did it get
how
live to get
flexible is
scratched
an
off?
PCB?
It's flexible. I'll show you on the slightly bent one. You can do a hole. You can do a hole like that with it. Does that describe the bend? If you need exact numbers in Fusion, I guess
Pyro
the bend
said,
radius
nice.
is, I guess, about four units of bend.
Another CG said, plumber's putty works wonders.
These are super useful tools if you're trying to get like corners of something into like Fusion, because you can just like check the corner and then just type that number into Fusion and it works. I found them on printables, just I don't know, find them. I have no idea where the link is. I've had them for years. Where did I put the one? I just did. There it is. Why did Lifty get scratched off? What did Lifty do? Are they that easy to scratch off? Kinda.
Chewy Nick said, Radius tool was one of the first things I printed when I got my first 3D printer. Super useful.
Super
Chloe
useful.
Madison said, switch to FreeCAD grinning face with sweat.
But Fusion no longer 360 is so good. And I've tried FreeCAD multiple times and I don't like it.
Ooh. It's
What?
raining.
What?
It's raining.
It's raining?
Yeah.
Chat, surprise, it's raining in England.
Another CG said, I switched from FreeCAD, smiley face. Chloe Madison said, V1.0 is a big improvement.
Oh, Lifty's been. Stop scratching Lifty off.
It's not my fault. It's he had.
Why are you removing him?
It's not.
2435 said,
No,
yes, I
I'm
never
gonna
liked
tell
FreeCAD
Lifty.
before
If
1.0.
Lifty's not here, you would protest.
Well, he's not here,
I'm
so.
telling Lifty.
Well, he's not here, and he's probably gonna ignore your message because he's too busy driving around with his homies.
You jealous?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you need to ask about driver's license.
Yeah, I know.
There you go. That's what Get Lifty gets for missing the live stream today. Gets his name removed. To be fair, he should have asked to be he should have asked to be on the copper layer because I can't remove that one.
FBI, open up.
Huh?
It was the clanging.
Oh. Okay. This should now work. I need to 3D print a stiffener or something because this is not gonna hold for very long.
Pyro said, Mellow be like the PCB is not working, so I remove Get Lifty's name.
The funny thing is this one hasn't been removed properly. So
Chloe
I
Madison
did
said,
it.
The holes and vias almost look like crimps.
They do, don't they? Oh, it's gone.
Oh my god.
What?
Apparently removing Lifty's name is gonna fix it, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh my gosh, the savagery. No. See, people, this is what happens when you don't come to streams. You get removed. This is awful. Look how badly it's scratched too. It's not like smoothed out or anything.
Well, I can't remove Vazu, and he's not here too because he decided to be on the copper layer. I mean, I could just cut him out.
Oh my gosh, evil, evil, evil.
I've got a sharp blade.
Did it cost more to be on the copper layer?
No.
Okay, everyone in future, go with the copper layer. It seems more durable. You know what? Scratch of Mellow Labs while you're here too.
Chloe Madison said, that's why I chose the copper layer.
Oh, I saw the weirdest thing today.
Oh, was it the one you sent me?
No,
Chewy Nick
not
said,
that.
Fusion finally working on Linux. Admittedly, it's essentially in a VM.
Ooh.
I saw a kid walking down the street. You'll never guess what was in his hand.
Monster.
Nope.
Some other energy drink.
No, it wasn't an edible item.
Oh, it wasn't. I wanted to say Beyblade, but like how they're gonna know what Beyblades are. A tablet.
No. Why would
Pyro
it be a
said,
surprise?
A knife.
Oh, surprising.
Get Lifty said, finally made it to the live stream.
Um,
I sure do hope nothing
surprising.
has happened to Chloe Madison said, I'd rather
Oh, I
use
hope
Unshape.
not.
Chewy Nick said,
But don't
Hey.
actually tell us, like, we need
Rotor
to
First's
make
work
vape.
said,
Yeah, it wouldn't
a phone.
surprise me either. I don't feel like that's surprising.
No.
Kids get vape so easily. It's not.
You were closer when you said Beyblades.
Oh my gosh, did he have like a frisbee? No, you went the other way. Okay.
No.
A phone. No, I don't feel like that's surprising. Oh my gosh. What was Beyblade? Maybe one of those little aliens from like the 90s? The squishy aliens?
Not a squishy alien, but you are thinking
FP
the
Chris
right
said,
decade.
knife.
Oh. Did he have a Game Boy?
Rotor First's work
No.
said, to make
Game
a
Boy
cut.
Color.
No.
7 said, Bakugan.
3DS. Switch.
No, it wasn't an electronic device.
Oh, Nintendo Wii, but not plugged in.
No.
Damn it. Oh, what else did Nintendo make? Oh my gosh, you're actually removing Vazu.
Chewy Nick said at Chloe
Evil.
Madison, yeah, I'm going to transfer over to FreeCAD. If I'm honest, I just wanted to see if I could get it working, and it's not really.
Bakugan. Oh, I forgot Bakugan was a thing. That was pretty cool. Tamagotchi. You know what? Yeah, no. You said it's not electric.
Not electric.
Tamagotchis have a battery in.
Rotor Frostwork said,
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
No.
No, I don't feel like it's Rubik's Cube doesn't feel like it's gonna entertain.
No.
Where was the warmest? Was it near like the
Chewy Nick
Beyblade?
said, Action Man?
Nailed it!
Was it in Rubik's Cube?
No.
What?
The one after that.
That hasn't updated. Action Man.
Yeah.
An Action
Seven.
Man.
An action man.
Said,
What the heck?
Hot Wheels.
I know, right?
What the heck is he gonna do with that?
I don't
Does
know.
he even know like
You-
how to like play with plastic
I
toys?
probably. I don't. He was carrying an action man. He seemed happy with it,
Chewy
and he
Nick
wasn't
said,
like a
"No
baby
way."
boy. He was just like a
He's
I
actually
don't know,
interested
like
in it.
7. I don't know
Pyro
how
said,
age of kids.
Vintage.
Like oh,
Vintage.
No way.
Right?
Yeah, no, that's actually pretty sick.
Fucking action man.
I never had Action Man.
Oh,
But
you had
yeah.
action women.
No, I popped the heads up of
YTFP Chris said,
Barbies.
no delaminate his name and set it in
I
clear
had
epoxy for a
dinosaurs.
pendant.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Chewy
yeah,
Nick
that'd be
said,
cool.
I have a space action man
Yeah,
in my
post
room.
it to him.
Sick.
There was space. So I only ever saw them from the adverts on
Wow.
YouTube years later. I never even saw them like in the flesh or in the
Sad
plastic.
childhood.
Well, it was depressing, but.
Jason said,
Oh,
I just
no,
dislike that Fusion is
I-
basically just
oh, what is
DRM
it?
with a CAD package
The
attached
only
to it.
thing-
Also, I switched to Linux earlier this year.
I never got into the Power Rangers show, but they had really cool action figures because they morphed.
I've been considering the switch to Linux too, but I am not that kind of person. I am very well grounded within the Windows boundaries. I am not smart enough to be a Linux person.
Pyro said, BRB.
I also like using Windows things.
Why do people have crowns with hashtags?
Crowns with hashtags?
Yeah, so.
Okay, so YouTube
Pyros-
now has a scoring system for how active you are in chat.
Oh.
So I now have a thing called Top Fan, which tells me that oh god,
Rota Frutch.
yeah, he's number one,
Is that how it would be pronounced?
probably,
It's work.
and he has 225 points. In second place, we have YTFP with the same amount of points.
Rotor Frostwork said, just Rotor, winky face.
Just Rotor, cool. So Rotor has the most points so far.
Jamie Serendipity said, I am about to spam for points.
I'm about to spam for points.
Spamming does not work. We've proven that with Get Lifty last time.
Oh damn, Lifty had the same idea.
Although using a wider vocabulary does seem to help.
So if I just copy paste.
So it's basically Scrabble. You just use big words.
So what if I just copy paste the English dictionary and when I run out of words go onto another language dictionary and then just keep going?
I have no idea. I don't know.
I was number one on the stream we made. Oh.
When we designed, yeah.
Wait, is this per stream?
Sorry?
Is this per stream that people get like?
Yeah.
Oh, so I just gotta wait for a dead stream and chat.
You won't have to wait long.
I'll be spawn camping.
Any Twitch stream nowadays.
Oh my gosh, those words hurt my brain. Eloquence and loquin. Hang on, I actually have to look closer at that word. Loquenciousness. Loquentiousness? What does that word mean?
Hold on. I have the perfect meme for this.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I was waiting for this moment to read that word. I'm so glad that was written now. Triple word score. I haven't played Scrabble in forever.
The very cornerstone of English scholarship. This book, sir, contains every word in our beloved language. Every single one, sir? Every single one, sir.
Are you gonna get like a strike for
Well, that
showing?
No.
means, I hope you will not object if I also offer the doctor
Sorry.
This is how our generation communicates.
Look at Meme!
We're the
This
generation
kid's walking around with Action
Action
Man,
Man.
and we're like, look, Meme!
literally like there's no other way of communicating.
Brain word is real chat. Oh my god, this
Demonstrate. Is demonstrate the opposite of demonstrate?
I don't know.
Is it a real word? Learning new words today.
Deaf in straight.
Straight.
Maybe it
It's
just
gonna be a
means
category.
deaf to straight people.
Oh my gosh, it's a real thing. Wikipedia. It's still up. The act of throwing someone or something out of a window. Why is the image a sausage? Term originates from 2 incidents in history, both occurring in Prague.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
I've run out of Google API points.
What does that mean?
That means I can't read chat anymore.
I can read it. Defenestrate. Defenestrate.
Defenestrate is a brilliant word.
To remove via window. Wow, the live stream is really delayed. Like the meme only just showed on my screen. That was
Yeah.
ages ago.
Yeah, YouTube does that. That's why Twitch is snappier.
Oh my god.
Yeah, TTS is down, everybody. TTS, my Google API key
It's okay.
has run out. So now Jamie gets a microphone and they will be reading chat for me. Jamie, catch microphone. Everybody cover your ears because I will be throwing microphone. Cool.
I call you your
Jamie is now the new TTS.
Hello. TTS, these nuts. Quickly, everyone say the hard to read words. Oh, please don't.
Do it.
Don't be mean.
Do it.
It used to be Joseph reading out.
As I'm cleaning up. This is stream after hours.
After hours. Oh, this is when the coffee shop's being
When they're sweeping.
and no when
And they want you to
I
leave.
got this when they're trying to be really subtle that it's like 7:59. You gotta leave, please, because we want to go home.
I mean, I'm not asking you guys to leave yet.
You're gonna tell
I've
me.
not given you my Patreon plug yet.
No, you're gonna come over to my table and say the coffee machine's off. And toilets are locked up. Don, I told you about that customer I had that one time that gave me his.
Excuse me.
No.
Supposed to be reading chat, not trauma
Chat.
dumping.
Sorry. No, you're
Baristas
correct.
these days.
But these days, those days. No, he was telling me about he thought the Queen was a lizard and the whole like yeah, no, he gave me the whole talk on that context. And I was semi-fascinated, but I was also super tired and I wanted to go home. I thought, nah, maybe another day.
Lizard.
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 See, I don't remember that. It doesn't stick with me. Anyway,
Lizard.
chat. Sorry. Defenestrate. When they're putting the chairs on tables. What? Oh, yeah, very much so.
Lizard.
I don't know why we did that. Putting the chairs on tables was just such a waste of time. Also, the bottom of the feet of the chairs are disgusting. Like,
Okay, well that's why you put them in upside down.
yeah.
And it helps a lot for the cleaners that have to mop the floor in
Yeah,
the morning.
I had to mop the floor. I was the one who also picked up the chairs and had to do that swoop. I forgot we used to have to deep clean like the whole chairs too.
Hello and welcome to Services Trauma Dump.
Who's worked in what was it? Services?
Not services.
Customer service? Who's worked in customer service?
Hospitality.
There we go. Hospitality.
Hospitality Trauma Dump stream.
Yeah. When they're putting the chairs on tables, say her in its native Celtic tongue. What does that mean, first of all? Wait, is there no alternative that can just read chat from a browser or something? That's fair enough, because I've got quite a delay compared to when people are texting. The chairs are upside down and all the other tables, yeah, raise his hand. What is her? Another word. Oh my gosh, I'm opening so many new tabs. Her. Definition. Definite. Oh, don't give me AI answers. Get out of here. Where's wiki? Dictionary. No, it's vigor. Is likely a misspelling of vigor. Vigor. Like, can. Where is it? Can another CG confirm if vigor is like the spelling you're after? Oh, it is Celtic. Celtic. Celtic.
The video I'm working on. Working on a video of these guys. Have fun.
Druid.
So,
I have no idea. I'm sorry.
huh?
I was trying to work out that word.
Oh.
House furniture should have strings like in bowling alleys. So you can just lift everything up and clean. That sounds really neat, unless there's a loose string. Also, tell me you wouldn't want to sit on the furniture and then raise it up to the ceiling. That makes ceiling painting easier.
That's why standing desks.
You have a standing desk. Standing floor.
Standing chair.
Standing floor is kind of scary because it sounds like the floor just rises until like...
I think that's just a lift.
No, that's like horror movie stuff. Like it gets to the ceiling and like, when does it stop? Please stop. Don't want to be smushed.
Again, you're here to read chat.
You can take the microphone back.
I'm not serious.
I'm sorry, I can't read Celtic. I have a friend who would be able to, because they study it. You having a tantrum?
No, I just put it down. I didn't know it was going to flop down.
Oh no, it flopped.
Like my last video. Actually, no, the last video did well. The previous video.
Why do you keep throwing that lid around? I keep finding it in places.
Sorry?
Why do you keep throwing that lid around the office?
Because when I take it off, I usually do that.
Oh, that's fair. I used to do that with the spice containers.
Closing.
Wait, Lifty's here? I just clocked, Lifty's here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, when did you arrive in chat? I'm so sorry.
When I was rubbing his name out.
I didn't realise. Oh,
He
popped in
arrived
at
when I was
8:30.
complaining about him not being here and rubbing his name out.
Oh my gosh. What is left of Lifty's name?
Nothing.
Why'd you say it so gently? I can't lie, I saw the stream started, then got distracted playing Rust.
Wow.
Is Rust good?
It's kind of rusty.
Hee hee ha ha, very funny joke. What is Rust?
It's a game that's very much like survival based.
Okay, I'm interested.
Oh boy.
I don't need another game to play. Well, I'm Googling everything today. I feel out of touch. Cool. Rust. Oh, watch trailer. Oh, it starts with Big Rock.
It starts with a...
It's the... Oh, this kind of starts out the same as a...
Minecraft.
No, well, yeah, I can't deny that. Okay, once you get out the first section, it's got its more uniqueness.
I need a thing.
Are you winning, son?
This is annoying.
Do you still have TTS turned off completely?
TTS is not turned on now.
Okay, so Get Lifty. It's the only survival game I know with an in-depth electrical wiring system, so I can appear useful to people who like combat things, and we can play together. That's actually super neat.
I am not starting another game with you guys.
Wasn't it Raft last time? But you.
It doesn't matter because every time we start one, we end up not only playing it once and then never playing it again.
Okay, the supermarket one was boring. As someone who's worked in retail, there was no customer gossip. Like
That is the best part of
there was
customer
no
service.
like gossip in one aisle, so you like a carton of milk happens to spill, so you have to clean it right next to the conversation.
Yeah, but you get to punch customers.
Huh?
But you get to punch customers.
Yeah, but they're not very dramatic about
Not a
it.
redeemable feature.
Yeah, no, I need ragdoll physics when they get punched. Lifty. Oh, I have no intent to play Rust after this week. Why not? Are you just gonna leave everyone abandoned? Like you've showed them like how essential you are to the team, and then you're gonna watch Hellfire go nuts. Also, why are some people's names in like monochrome? Sorry, icons.
I don't know.
They'll never be able to fix your circuits. Sorry, hiccups. I just realized the GIF I sent on Discord makes it look like I'm trapped. Lifty, usually we leave for one night and a Russian team comes on wiping us completely off the map. Jeez. And we remember why we hate Rust. Oh. Can you keep it regional if that happens consistently? Are they just like XP mining you guys?
No, it's just fun to beat up noobs. They'd do the same if they had the power.
I'm not gonna lie, I used to do that in Pokemon. Like, oh, you're a noob with like your unevolved starter. Here, meet my Darkrai.
Sure, I know what that means.
It is kind of an OP semi-legendary.
Okay. Why is it only a semi?
It's not called semi-legendaries, I've forgotten the terms, but like you have your main legendaries and then you have like the subcategory legendaries, because there's only one of them, but they're not as powerful as the main ones. But this one, very briefly, it has a trait where if you send the other party's team to sleep, every turn they get like nightmare damage from being asleep, and they can't do anything, they can't attack, they can't do movesets and whatnot, so you just trap them in that and they're done. You poison them too, you double damage.
Right. So you're a bully.
No, it was competitive. And I was winning.
That's what bullies say too.
Get Lifty. Oh, we will happily wipe out the alternating time zone players while it's day for us. We just aren't very good at the game. It's still early days, but then if you're bailing after a week, then... It's like having the nighttime players and the daytime players. Day and night.
The lonely stoner seems to be his mind at night.
Day and night.
I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm installing the PCB with the things. So I'm plugging in my doorbell and my what's it called, the letterbox.
We're gonna have more mail come through the box next. Wait. Invisimail.
Seems to free his mind at night. That night. Oh, now I want to listen to Kid Cudi. I don't have connectors on these pins, so plugging this in is wires going into holes. Luckily, they are solid core wires, so it helps a little bit. And power.
Oh, you have a message from Chewy Nick.
1 minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a box for that on tomorrow's Twitch live stream.
Chewy Nick.
So if you guys are interested,
They're gonna go
join
let the
then.
dog out for a bit.
Whoa.
They're gonna go let the dog out for a bit.
Who?
Constant Chewy Nick, if that's correctly pronounced.
Ah.
I may be butchering it, I'm sorry.
I'm going to let the dog out for a bit.
Gonna let the dog out for a bit and then concentrate on union training. I'm meant to be doing take care all. I'm still going to be thinking about the power wheels though.
Hell yeah.
Vroom vroom.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, we're basically done for today. I mean, the thing is back in, so hopefully it should be working again. Are we getting power measurements? We are getting power measurements. I need to turn on notifications for doorbell
Letterbox.
and letterbox.
Letterbox.
And hopefully now when I flip the letterbox we should get a notification.
Lizard.
I didn't get a notification. It's not working.
That was next level.
Oh, I did. Okay, cool. Never mind. It worked. Chat, it works. It just took a second for some reason. But it worked. We did it.
Yippee.
Woo. It only took 3 hours. Wow, it feels longer. Maybe I'm just tired. It's been a long day.
It doesn't feel like it's been 3 hours, but then I've not been the one live streaming.
Yeah. So, yeah, I guess if you guys are interested, tomorrow is Twitch live stream day. We'll be starting around 3 p.m. and doing whatever I need to be doing. Probably making a box for the thing that's over there because it's currently just in there. So, 3D modeling, 3D printing. You know what? I will try out FreeCAD tomorrow on my Twitch stream. We'll see if it's any good. We'll find out. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. So with that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Support me on Patreon if you can. And I will see you... No, wait, I can't do that one. That's Great Scott. Till next time, guys. Bye.
Bye. I think I just got thrown away.